What if I told you that right now, a star is racing toward us at hundreds of thousands of kilometers per hour, and it could literally kick Earth out of the solar system? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what happens when our planet becomes a rogue world drifting alone through the cosmic void. Trust me, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. Look up tonight. See those peaceful twinkling stars? Here's what they don't want you to know. They're actually cosmic bullets, careening through space at mind-bending speeds. And some of them? They're headed straight for us. Now, before you panic, space is massive. The odds of a direct hit are basically zero. But here's the terrifying part. They don't need to hit us to completely destroy life as we know it. Picture gravity as the ultimate cosmic puppeteer. Every single atom in the universe, including one a million light years away, is pulling on you right now. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. When something truly massive gets close enough, it doesn't just tug, it dominates. It rewrites the rules. And our solar system? It's been playing by the same rules for billions of years. Here's what most people don't realize. Our solar system is basically a cosmic house of cards. The sun controls 99.75% of all the mass, keeping everything in perfect, predictable orbits. Planets, asteroids, comets, they all dance to the sun's gravitational beat. But what happens when another dancer crashes the party? The approaching danger. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. About 70,000 years ago, a rogue star system blazed through our outer defences, scrambling the Oort cloud and potentially sending deadly asteroids our way. Those cosmic missiles, they might still be coming, but that's nothing compared to what's heading for us next. Meet Gliese 710, a red dwarf with half the sun's mass, currently racing toward our solar system like a cosmic wrecking ball. In just 1 million years, it'll slice through our Oort cloud and become the brightest star in our night sky. When it arrives, the sky could literally rain death. Comets and asteroids, disturbed from their billion-year slumber, would bombard the inner solar system. We're talking dinosaur-level extinction events, multiple times over. But here's where it gets truly terrifying. What if a star came even closer? What if it didn't just disturb our cosmic neighbourhood? What if it invaded it? The odds are small, about 1 in 100,000 over the next 5 billion years. But in cosmic terms, that's practically guaranteed to happen eventually. Imagine this. You're looking up at the night sky when suddenly a new star appears. At first, it's just an orange dot. But night after night, it grows bigger, brighter, more menacing. Within months, it's visible during the day. Brighter than the moon, too bright to look at directly. The night sky glows with an eerie red light that makes everyone's skin crawl. Then something even more terrifying happens. The sun starts shrinking. As Earth gets ripped from its cosmic home, our life-giving star becomes just another point of light in the sky. The temperature plummets, not gradually, catastrophically. By the time we reach Mars's orbit, it's 50 degrees everywhere. The blue-green jewel of Earth transforms into a pale, lifeless ice ball. Forests freeze solid. Animals die in massive waves. The lucky ones die quickly. At Jupiter's orbit, we hit 150 degrees Heesking, colder than Antarctica's worst day. Almost everyone is dead now. The water cycle stops completely. Clouds disappear forever. The oceans become solid ice from surface to sea floor. But it gets worse. As we drift past Pluto, something truly alien happens. The air itself begins to snow. First nitrogen, then oxygen. The very atmosphere we breathe crystallizes and falls like deadly snow, burying the frozen corpses of everything that once lived. Earth becomes a tomb wrapped in a 10-meter-thick shroud of frozen air. Now we're truly alone, a rogue planet drifting through the cosmic void, lifeless, silent. A frozen monument to what happens when gravity goes wrong. But here's the plot twist you didn't see coming. Humanity wouldn't go down without a fight. We'd see this cosmic disaster coming thousands of years in advance. While we couldn't stop a star, we could prepare. Picture this. Massive underground cities powered by geothermal energy and nuclear fusion. Millions of survivors living in artificial worlds beneath the ice, keeping the flame of human civilization alive in the darkness. For hundreds of thousands of years, these underground survivors would tell stories of the old world, of blue skies, green forests, and a golden star that once gave life to everything. And maybe, just maybe, if our frozen Earth passed close enough to another star system, these descendants of humanity would emerge from their icy tomb and try again on a new world. Here's the beautiful irony. Without an atmosphere, space travel becomes incredibly easy. The last survivors of Earth might actually have the best chance of spreading human life throughout the galaxy. So the next time you look up at those peaceful stars, remember, they're not just pretty lights, they're cosmic wanderers, and some of them are headed our way. The universe is vast and beautiful, but it's also dangerous and unpredictable. The good news? This probably won't happen for millions of years. The bad news? When it does, it'll be the ultimate test of human ingenuity and survival. What do you think? Could humanity survive as a rogue planet? Or would this be the end of our story? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one.